Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I welcome you to another episode of Abuja Elite. So today we are going to the grass roof. We'll be going in. I'm going to be taking you to my hood. After a stressful day, this is where I clear off the stress, man. This guy is good in making the fish. Or just drive down to his spots and pick nice fish and take home. And so I decided to do a video for this guy today. So today, I want you to learn one or two things in his skills. I don't know the magic he does when he does the fish, but what I knew is that his fish is always different from others. I just want to tell you, anything you're doing, just be good in what you're doing. And I know you're going to learn one or two things from his secret or how he does it. And you guys need to patronize this guy. He also go for events and help him. Is something I love. You know, the way he packages sauce, the onions, the garnishing, the Irish potato. So this is the guy I'm talking about. This is the guy, this is the brain boss. The guy is very good. Oh, it's lovely. That's cool. Thank you very much. I have my guest here. She's going to be doing the same thing. Stay tuned on the lifestyle program. Let's see how it goes. This kind of fish, you don't use fork and knife. You go deep. You use your hand.
The fish is fried. He really took his time to garnish this fish. I love the sauce.
Tell you, this fish is sweet, man. And I'm telling you, you can see the life of this fish has never remained the same. You can see. That's why I hit the fish, you know. I hit it still, the bone, everything, you know. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you've all learned one or two things. And kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get our new upload videos. Please guys, let me subscribe. Please, you guys should help my career now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.